The pilot involves approximately 1,200 properties throughout 4 different regions in council, and it will be conducted over a 2-year period. We selected 4 areas for trial, so Bundaberg CBD, Burnett Heads, Childers and Gingin, so a lot of these were coming up for replacement anyway. So the meters that we've installed should have a 15-year life. So the information we get back from the meters can indicate whether or not there's a leak. This meter here today has a leak of about 60 litres per hour, and the system identified it. This leak is actually under an asphalt surface, so there's no other way of detecting it.
It's all about ageing infrastructure, ageing pipes, and so this type of technology can help councils to get a handle on what's happening with their pipes under the ground. It's a Honeywell V200HT meter, and it's somewhat unique in that it's the first of Honeywell's meters to include a Taggle radio. One of the first things that will happen is council will be able to see within a couple of days where there are any existing customers' leaks. We have had occasions in other towns and cities where people have had water leaks underneath their houses, concealed leaks, which just erode away at the foundations of the property.